How to open Password Manager on Google Chrome. Step-by-step guide. Have you ever forgotten your password and wondered how to retrieve it on Google Chrome? Today, I'll show you how to access Chrome's Password Manager in just a few easy steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, as your saved passwords are linked to it. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your browser. From here, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to Autofill and click on Passwords. This is where Google Chrome stores your saved passwords. Here, you'll find a list of all the websites where your passwords are saved. To view or manage a specific password, click the eye icon next to it. You may be asked to enter your device password for security. You can also add new passwords manually or remove ones you no longer use. This keeps your password manager organized. To ensure your passwords are accessible on all your devices, enable Sync under your Google account settings. This makes managing passwords even easier. And that's it. Accessing and managing your saved passwords on Google Chrome is simple and secure. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.